passing some positive energy to the future generation.
Yeah, I'm simply telling that we have certain responsibility on our shoulder to give the support to our future generation. We are not living here for ourselves, we are living for the future generation. Whatever we are carrying heritage, it is not for us, it is for them. Sure, maybe you accept or not accept, doesn't matter. It is a truth. Look at that, what we are doing here, producing the children. For what? Just for the future. Otherwise, the nature will not exist at all. Everybody will be, if everybody will become sannyas, what will happen to the world? Look at it. The world will go. Everybody will be. There is no human being on the earth within 100 years. No human being at all. But what we are doing here, we are taking responsibility towards the future, towards the world. That's why we are producing the children. Then we are giving life to the future. We are giving the life to the existence and the world also. That's why I say, be in limit of yourself. You should know the limitness. Certainly you are doing certain job. Know your rights and know your responsibility and know your time factors. Know of your everything basically. That only gives the right quality of work, the right quality of discipline, right quality of everything basically. How can you bring the quality to the work when you are in your limit? Absolute in your limit, otherwise you won't. So many people have said to me, Master, how can I bring the quality to my work? I simply said, please, you should be in your limit. Don't cross the limit. When you cross the limit, automatically energy will be wasted, time will be wasted, so much work will be wasted. When you are in your limit, definitely your whole energy and whole concentration, whole attention will be worked only on that point. Then it will be worked well. It gives a right quality to your job. Look at the Picasso paintings. I give an example to you because Picasso has a certain greatest limited person, not unlimited. Limited person in unlimited. Limited person in unlimited creativity. So much limitation. Somebody went to the Picasso painting room. At that moment the Picasso was painting some photo maybe. He asked that, Picasso, what are you doing? Picasso didn't respond. Again he asked, Picasso, what are you doing? No, even he has not given a single response. He went very near to that person. Then he shook the Picasso. Picasso, what are you doing? He said, no, I am not doing anything. Basically, he was painting. But he is telling that I am not doing anything. What? What is that? He involved totally in that action. He has become that action itself. There is no difference between the painter and painting. He has become paint itself. When you become the paint itself, that moment, a great quality will take your work. A great quality. It happens. Until you separate from the object and the subject, automatically the quality will lose. It will lose the quality. Not only that person, even a great philosopher, Bernard Shaw, this he came to some party, everybody looked at him and laughed. The Bernard Shaw asked his PA, what happened? Why they are laughing, looking at me? He said, you have not wear the dress. There is no shirt at all, only tie is there and pant is there, that's all. He came rushingly to that party. No shirt at all. Look at how much concentrative person he is. It looks very ridiculous to us. But they asked him, why you have come like that? No, I wear the dress. Where you wear the dress? Look, it is my tie now. Still he is arguing on that. He is not available at that moment. He was in somewhere else. He was creating some dogma. He is creating some theory inside. He is gone thinking. When he came later to the home, when he finished his theory, writing on the paper totally, then he come to his sense, then look at himself, there's no dress at all. Discuss the involvement. Involvement is need, commitment is need. There is no commitment in our action, there is no involvement in action, then we don't know how to be limited with ourselves. That's it. Involve totally and commit totally, then get the limitation of you. Automatically you will be realized what truth is, what desire is basically. Definitely will get the quality of work. Quality of work means what? Commit and involve and be in your limit. Don't waste time of others, don't waste time of yours. Should utilize totally your time. That is the condition. These are the three things. Second thing is that relationship is what? First is the limitation. This is the first. Limit yourself. Without limitation, you never win the life. Impossible. Please be limited. Everything is not possible to you, but something must be possible to you. What is that something? You should find out. If whatever you do, do it, but out of love, out of desire. Desire must be there. The desire is the quality of the object. If there is no desire, there is no quality at all in it. If there is desire, there is a quality in it. The desire is the quality of the object. The desirelessness is the quality of the subject. Whenever you enter into the spiritual field, they simply says, drop the ego. Immediately they say, drop the ego. I mean what? Drop the desire. Then only you will get the quality of life. Whenever you enter into the objective field, into the world, automatically they say, create the desire. Be egoistic. This is a method to get the right quality of work. So, relationships means what? Be in your limit and know your responsibility. Exactly responsibility. What is your responsibility? Later, know your rights. You need to know your rights. Without knowing rights, you never know the responsibility. Without knowing the responsibility, you never be in your limits. Without being in your limits, you never do the work rightly in right time, as perfect as possible. Impossible to you. That's the problem here. So involve totally and commit totally, then look at the work. Definitely it gets a new beauty and a new creativity of it. This is the way. So relationship means what? Belonging. How to relate with others? I am telling, be in your limits, know your responsibility and know your rights.